For the second straight week, a member of the ICC Lady Indians basketball team has earned MACJC Women's Player of the Week. And for the second time this season, guard Jayla Chills has been selected for this honor. Chills from Ripley averaged 29 points per game last week to help the Lady Indians improve to 4-0 in the North, 13-2 overall with the Indians win over Holmes and Northeast.
Obviously, anytime one of our kids wins an honor, it's bringing great reflection to our team. But, you put Jayla out there with the best of the best, and she is, getting accolades as the season rolls on. She is performing night in and night out. Just got a lot of people looking at her. She is a tremendous competitor, hard to shut her down, and we're just really proud of her. She has overcome a lot of things. She has really turned into just a magnificent player on the collegiate level, and we're excited for her.
Chills follows fellow sophomore KK Nealon on being named MACJC Women's Player of the Week. She was named Player of the Week during Week 2 and earned National Junior College Athletic Association National Player of the Week in November. For more information on ICC basketball, follow us at ICC Athletics or on Twitter at Let's Go ICC.